Welcome. Today we're going to build this cute little knick-knack shelf. Okay, we're going to use 4/4 rough cut pine. This board is in bad shape. It's cupped on one end and there's knots on the other. So I'm going to take the cupped end and we're going to try to plane it down. Okay, I have a cardboard template I want the sides to be. You can see that it'll take most of the board, but what I'm going to do is rip it in half and glue the top piece on. You'll see as we go along. Okay, I'm going to cut the board to size before I take it over to the table saw and rip it in half. Okay, let's clean the edges up because I need to glue these joints. Now we're going to cut the piece for the top with the DeWalt. Okay, like I said before, instead of using two 30-inch boards, we're going to just glue this little piece on to make it a little wider on the top. Then I'm going to plane it down. You won't even notice. Okay, now we're going to plane it down. You won't even notice the joint when I'm done. Okay, now we're going to take the cardboard template and mark it out so that we could cut it down on the bandsaw. Okay, time to cut it on the bandsaw. Okay, the bandsaw puts these little ridges in it when you cut, so we're going to use a spindle sander to get rid of them. Okay, the trick with a spindle sander is not to keep it in one place too long. Okay, we're going to cut dado joints with a miter saw. This is the first time I did it, and next time I think I'm just going to use a router. Okay, now we're just going to clean these up a little before we start making the shelves. Going to plane it down to size. This is 4/4. I need 3/4, so it's going to take a few passes. Cut the shelves to length. Rip them down to the size I need them. Get them cleaned up. And assembly time. Can use a lot of glue in here and I'm going to clamp it. Make sure everything's square. And what we're going to do is I'm going to put some glue down for the top, and we're going to nail it. And here we go, finished product. Little fine sanding and a little stain, and it'll be ready to go. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't be afraid to like it and subscribe.